boys don't work. Who are you gonna call? Michael, when son, you're cold. Want some heat? Get up and call Michael. It isn't that deep. You really wanna get around instead of going around town. But we call you get down. Oh, but you have to trust us. When your electric doesn't work. Oh, Michael and Son. But you need your heat now. If you can't, then let's call them up now. 0, 0. Everyone else, they just doing the same. But Michael and Son's at the top of the game. 0, 0. Wait, what's that number again? 4